Do you know what daily used English sentences or daily based English sentences? Do you know the definition of the sentences? First of all, you have to know what the daily used sentences or daily based English sentences are. The daily used or daily based English sentences are those which are used in our daily life in different purposes. For example, to buy 12 bananas, you have to go to market. So of course you have to some sentences to buy 12 bananas or 4 bananas. Of course you have to use sentences whether in Bangla or English or any other languages. Am I right? So these are called daily based or daily used English sentences. After going to market, you have to ask the shopkeeper how much do the bananas cost. Of course, you have to ask the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper will reply that you have to pay 20 taka for 4 bananas. Is it clear to you? So these are called daily based English sentences. I have already suggested you if you want to speak English fluently, of course you have to practice a lot. So how can you practice? The question can arise. You have to do practice like that. When you will go out of your home, when you will start your daily life, of course, you have to start with your language, whether in Bangla or in English language. You have to think in your head, in English only. Suppose you have gone to the village and you have seen a big pond. Just I want to show you a big pond. This is a big pond, you say. Now, you can ask any question to me. Who is the owner of this big pond? I can answer like this. I am the owner of this big pond. Or you can answer like this. Mr. Johirul Islam is the owner of this big pond. You can ask another question like that. What is his profession? I can answer like this. He is a businessman. He has earned lots of money. That's why he has been able to purchase a big sized pond. Then you can ask me a question. What types of fishes are cultivated in this pond? I can answer like this. There are various types of fishes are cultivating in this pond. Dear learners, in this way you have to practice a lot. You have to practice daily used English sentences. And if you do practice like that, one day you will be able to speak in English. Otherwise not. Otherwise it is not possible for you to speak in English, okay? You know the rules of basic grammar. You know the rules of standard grammar, advanced level grammar, but despite learning the rules of grammar, you are not able to speak in English. The only reason is that you are not doing practice. Of course, you have to do practice a lot. And you have to think in English only. And you know, the first process to learn any language is listening, then speaking. Listening and speaking are two powerful processes. By these two processes, you will be able to speak any type of languages, whether it is Arabic or Hindi or any other languages in the world. So from today, I think you will start practicing, and thank you very much.